In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create a hazardous materials profile in ACE and add it to your ACE shipment. In ACE, when hauling goods that are classified as hazardous, CBP requires highway carriers to provide a UN code which describes the hazardous goods, as well as the handling instructions and emergency contact information when submitting an ACE manifest to CBP. So let's get started. Once you're logged in, hover over the AC Manifest menu option at the top and click Hazardous Materials. This will bring you to the ACE Hazardous Materials search page, where you can view and manage all the hazardous material codes and information entered in BorderConnect. To create a new hazardous material code, click New Hazardous Material on the top left. Once there, enter the 4-digit Hazmat UN code, the emergency contact name, contact number, and optionally, the contact email. Once the hazardous material details have been added, just click Save on the top left and you'll be brought back to the Hazardous Materials search page, where you can now see that your new hazmat profile has been added below. Now you're free to use it when adding hazardous materials to your ACE shipment commodity. Now, let's add the hazardous materials profile to an ACE shipment commodity. So once you're on the Add Commodity for ACE shipment page and you add your description, quantity, and weight, navigate below and enter the 4-digit UN code of the hazardous commodity, and it'll automatically pop up for you. So just click it to assign it to the commodity. It's that easy. You can also add the hazardous materials profile on the fly, right from the Add Commodity for ACE shipment page. Just enter all the details of the hazardous materials and save it along with your commodity. It's important to note that to qualify to send an AC manifest with hazardous materials in your commodity, an insurance policy must also be added to your company profile and assigned to the truck on the AC manifest. To learn how to add an insurance policy to your company profile and assign it to your truck, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.